Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to download data from the BLK 360 G2, and we're going to use our BLK Data Manager version 2025.0.0 with USB-C, hopefully. I've had some issues with USB-C, and I think it might be related to a cable. So we're going to try it with the cable I have, and if that doesn't work, we'll try it with a new cable. We're going to click on the G2. This is the G1. This is the BLK to go. This is the BLK to fly. This is the arc. This is the to go pulse. And here's the G2. Next, we're going to click on USB and hit connect. I have the camera powered on, and I have it plugged in to the USB-C cable. So we should see some scan points pop up here. And we do. So there's already some data on here. We're going to scroll all the way down to the data that I did today. I did two different scans. One was inside a house in San Jose, and one was outside. So we'll start with the inside. We're going to select, actually I just clicked on the one and it selected all of them, so that's great. Next we're going to hit download, and we're going to create a folder. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to hit new folder, and we're going to call it San Jose Interior. Select folder, and we should be downloading. So it appears that this USB-C cable that I have is working quite nice. We're a little low on the battery, but I don't think that'll be an issue. And here we're at 17%. I like downloading the data first with the BLK Data Manager before I import into Register 360. And that's just a process I use. I think you can import through Register 360, and I might make a video about that. But this is the process I like to use. I always make a backup. I put a backup of the data onto my NAS drive. You cannot import from a NAS drive into Register 360. So I do keep a copy on my local hard drive that I manipulate in Register, with a backup being on my NAS drive. So we have about 10 scans. The first one didn't work out. We got an error message. So we really have 9 scans on the inside of this house. It was just a kitchen area that I was scanning for a remodel purpose. And we got a disconnect. That wasn't good. Let's see how many scan points that we captured here. One again was a wash, and it looks like we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to do 6 through 10. And we're going to hit download. Did it work? It did not work. The connect button again. Failed to connect. So I'm going to unplug it, which I just did. Probably heard that. The camera went off. I'm going to actually change my battery real quick with one that I have that's a little more juice in it. Bear with me 1 minute. Okay, we have a fresh battery in. I'm turning it on. I'm going to plug it in. Actually, I'm going to wait for it to finish powering up. Right now, the camera is blinking. We have the solid light, so I'm plugging it in. We heard that tone on my computer, so I'm going to hit connect. You can see we have a pretty full battery. It still has these selected. I'm hoping it'll keep it there, and it didn't. So we're going to select 6 through 10, hit download, and select now. 6 is already there. Whenever it fails, I like to replace the last scan just in case there wasn't enough data or didn't fully download the full data file. So I'm going to hit yes. And it's actually writing it. It created another folder within there. And so it's putting 6 there, and I'll just move them back here when done. I think this is the full file, but I'm not quite sure. And we got another disconnect, which I'm going to blame on the cable at this point. So I'm going to unplug that cable. And I have a good cable that I know works. So we're going to plug this one in. We shall try again. Now this time it did download. So we're going to go over here and paste it there and hit replace. And then delete that one. So we have connect. Failed to connect. We're plugged in and the light's on, so I'm going to unplug it again. Now, I've noticed this a lot. This is a brand new cable. Just having issues. So we're going to go do it the Wi-Fi method. So I'm going to hit connect. I'm going to unplug the USB-C cable. So now we're unplugged. We are connected to the Wi-Fi, which we've done previously. And now we need setup 7 through 10. So I'm going to select 7 through 10 and hit download. And we're going to put them there. Already resides in this folder, sure. So it almost appears faster to be able to download via Wi-Fi than it does via USB-C. I'm going to share this video with my support contact at Leica and see what they have to say about it, because this is far too frequently that connecting via USB-C doesn't work. And, you know, it's one thing to download 10 setups, but this next one that I have is, I think, somewhere between 20 and 40. And so that could take some time via Wi-Fi. Okay, we've downloaded 404. So we have all the files here. Again, scan 1 was an error, so we're going to actually delete that. And that's what we're going to go with. So that's the process. I tried to download via USB-C, didn't quite work out. I will email support, and I might either make an update video or pin a comment on this video with what support said. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you feel my channel is worthy, please subscribe and share the video if you think it's useful. Alright guys, thanks for watching.